In this video, I'll show you how to build a flag pattern scanner in just a few minutes using RealTest. This flag pattern is well known among top traders like Mark Minervini and Christian Culamaghi. First, we define how to detect a swing low. We check that the low from 5 days ago is lower than the 5 days before it, and also lower than the 5 days after it. This confirms that the low from 5 days ago was a pivot point, meaning it formed a swing low. Next, we want to locate the most recent swing low. This line tells us how many bars ago the last swing low occurred. We use the since true function, which counts how many days have passed since the last swing low condition was true. We add 5 because the swing low happens 5 days back in the earlier calculation. Now that we know where the most recent swing low occurred, we grab the actual price at that swing low, the low price from the bar where the swing low happened. We then repeat the process to find 2 more swing lows further back. This starts by looking back from the first swing low we just found. It counts how many days before that swing low, the previous swing low, occurred. This gives us the gap in bars between the first and second swing lows. We then add this all together. How far back the first swing low is, plus how far back the second swing low is from there. Plus 5 days, because our swing low logic always checks 5 bars ago. This tells us exactly how many bars ago the second swing low occurred. Then, we pull the low price at that second swing low. We repeat the same process one more time to find the third swing low. Now we repeat everything for swing highs, which are the highest points before the price falls. This confirms a swing high. These lines work exactly the same way as the swing lows, just for the highs. We find the most recent second and third swing highs and get their prices. This calculates the Bollinger Band width, which measures volatility. BB top is the top Bollinger Band, BB bot is the bottom. Subtracting them shows how wide the bands are. Dividing by the 20-day average close and multiplying by 100 gives a percentage. This checks if the current Bollinger Band width is the lowest in the last 100 days. If it is, we know that volatility is very low. Now we build a pattern using the swing lows and swing highs. Swing lows are rising. The third swing low is the lowest and the latest swing low is the highest. Swing highs are falling. The third swing high is the highest and the latest swing high is the lowest. We also confirm low volatility. This means the price is compressing between rising lows and falling highs. Now we're building the scanner. This isn't the best pattern to trade, algorithmically, because these pattern breakouts only work well if the stock has strong fundamentals, the way Minervini and Culamaghi trade them. Unfortunately, we can't backtest fundamentals in RealTest, so we're building just the technical pattern scanner. This scans for stocks that match the pattern, close above their 200-day moving average, are part of the Russell 1000 index. Some of these won't look great just by eye. You can adjust the swing sensitivity, make the swing slower or faster to tweak the setup. You can copy the script, link in the description. But keep in mind, this isn't exactly the pattern Minervini or Culamaghi use on every trade. It captures one flavor of setups they like, but their edge comes from discretion, fundamentals, and timing, not rigid patterns alone. Enjoy your beautiful day.